In the drawing, there are 4 lamps numbered 1 to 4 and switches numbered 1 to 4, and we also have the source, the positive and the negative terminal. So let us connect lamp number 1 controlled by the switch number 1 and lamp number 2 controlled by switch number 2. Well, let's start. What you are going to do is to put supply or connect supply to lamp number 1 and lamp number 2. Start. Wires not connected. Connected. Not connected. Connected. And then the positive terminal to the switch, and then to not connected to switch number 2, and switch number 1 to lamp number 1, and switch number 2 to lamp number 2. And now you can also add another lamp. If you are going to install lamp number 3 controlled by switch number 3, you just have to continue. This supply not connected, then connect, then the switch not connected, connect, then switch number 3 to lamp number 3. If you want to proceed, and add lamp number 4, supply, wires not connected, connected, then the switch not connected, connected, then from the switch to the lamp number 4.